Can you flat iron it? Can you flat iron it? Now just think about it. Okay, you're putting hair paint wax on your hair. Now this is wax. Hair paint wax. You put it on your hair and then you put a flat iron over it. I think it would kind of fry your hair.
Shorty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She keep mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the girl. She don't stress, she don't trip. And she fuck with all my bros. So if
hey y'all, it's your girl, Janae, back with another video. If you keep up with me, I had tried out the hair paint wax. So I decided to try it out for 7 days just to test and just to also show you guys how it actually made my hair turn out. So I did wash all of the hair paint wax out of my hair and it was a very smooth process. So just keep on watching this video and I will also address all of the questions that you guys had asked as well. Okay y'all, so I'm starting off by washing the hair paint wax out of my hair with only just water. It does wash out with only water first, so as you see the color it has faded away. So now I'm going to be applying my Aussie Moist shampoo and I'm just going to be washing my hair. As you see, you do not see any red left in my hair because again, water did take it out. I did find that my scalp was itchy, so I'm going to be focusing on my scalp as well when I do shampoo my hair. And as you see, I love this shampoo because it does create a whole lot of suds and that does indicate that it's really cleaning my hair. So now I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair with this Eden Bodyworks Split and Repair Mask. I love this mask because it's very thick in consistency and it glides through my hair like butter as well. It actually melts like butter, so that indicates a whole lot. As far as my detangling process, I use my fingers first and then I'll use a comb. Also, when deep conditioning my hair, I do focus on my ends a lot more only because it is the oldest part of my hair. I was under this Walmart bag for 10 minutes, so now it is time to definitely take it out. So now what I'm doing after I did deep conditioning for 10 minutes, I'm just running the water down my hair strands. And as you see, no more hair paint wax. I do have some notes right here because I'm not going to remember these questions off the top of my head. So this is how the hair paint wax look if you haven't already watched any of my other videos. I am going to be putting links up here so that way you can go watch them as well. This is how much that was used. I do have a whole lot left. I could actually probably get like 2 more of these. So someone asked, does the color get on the collar of your clothes? I would say yes to an extent. I had me a white t-shirt and I was actually putting it over my head and then I did see some red on my shirt. It's not a big transfer, but it does transfer. So this hair paint wax does have a strong hold to it as well. So just an FYI. How long did you have it in your hair? So again, like I said, I had it in my hair for 7 days. So I just wanted to just try it out just to see how long it'll last. It lasted for literally 7 days. The color was starting to get a little more lighter, I guess fading away, but it was still a bold color. So I love the fact that it can literally last for a while. Does the color fade when you add moisturizers? So if you haven't seen my dry twist out video on using the hair paint wax, I will put it up here as well. I did apply a moisturizer. It was Africa's Best moisturizer in my hair. So when I applied it, it did transfer and bleed on my hands and everything, but once the product actually sets, once the moisturizer actually sets in your hair and dries, it does not fade. I mean, it's gonna fade a little bit because it is transferring, but again, the color is still gonna be there. You don't apply a lot of moisturizer, but you just apply enough so that way you can moisturize your hair. How many washes can you get? So with this hair paint wax, it is a temporary color. Okay, it is not a permanent. It's not permanent. It is temporary. So with one wash, it will literally wash it all out of your hair. As you've seen the little clip that I had prior. If you put water in your hair or if it rains, of course, it's gonna come out. Does it cause damage? It did not cause damage to my hair, but I did notice some shedding to my hair. It wasn't like a whole lot of shedding. As you see, my hair is still intact. It is good to go, so yeah. Can you use it on weave? Yes, you can use it on weave. On wings. Yes, you can use it on weave. I have to say, if you try to straighten your hair or straighten the weave with the wax on, it can probably ruin the weave because you only apply the wax after your hair is already styled. You don't put the wax on and then style your hair like with a straightener or whatever, so don't do that. But yeah, you can put it on weave. Else as, would I put the color on before or after styling? How well does it mix? So yes, again, like I just said, you put the color on after you style your hair. I did my normal wash and go routine, so I just like apply my leave-in conditioner, I apply my oil, and I apply my styler. After I did all of that, then I apply the hair paint wax on there, and I just left my hair alone after that. Can it come on your pillow? I had got a whole lot of questions asking can it go on your pillow, and I want to address that. It can go on your pillow. It can. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm keeping it real. Like everything, all the products and all of the hair things that I do, I always be honest with you guys. So I'm gonna be real. It does go on your pillow, but it isn't a lot. I didn't literally sleep on my pillow, but I sleep with my headscarf, and this is the headscarf that I normally use, which I need to get another one because this is old. But it did have some red that transferred. I'm gonna show you guys. It's not a whole lot. I don't even know if you can see it. See, if you can't see it, it's not a whole lot of transfer. But it did get some red on my headscarf, but again, it was not a lot. So once your hair is actually dry, the transfer is very minimum. How about putting it on straight hair? When you straighten your hair, if your hair is already curly, I feel when you apply this hair paint wax on your hair, I feel that it can revert back. If I'm not mistaken, the reason why I'm saying that is because you're supposed to apply this hair paint wax on damp hair. I mean, you can apply it on dry hair. Mine was like damp to dry, but I noticed that my curls was popping more when I applied this on there, and that is because they do have water in this product, of course. So when you add water to already straighten hair, what happens? It reverses, okay? So I feel like if you already have natural hair and you straighten your hair, then you try to apply this on there, I feel that it can revert back. Now if you have already straight hair, your hair just bone straight, you don't even have no curls to it from the get-go, and you apply this on there, yes, that's gonna be good. So moving on, does it transfer easily on your fingers once it is dry? Some of these questions are kind of repetitive, but I am going to be addressing. I'm not even addressing all of the questions because it was a whole lot, and yeah, but I'm just going to do a few for you guys. But yeah, it does transfer on your fingers. Like when I played in my hair and I would do like this and fluff it out and everything, I would see a little red on my finger, but that's okay because it is easy to wash off. Like, yeah. How many jars I use? Again, like I showed you, I'm gonna open again. You only use one jar. It only takes one jar. One jar. And I still have a whole lot left. So, just one jar. Okay, so is this only sold online? As far as I know, I believe it's only sold online. They have their own specific website. I feel that in the near future they may come out with it in the stores because it is becoming more popular. So right now it's only sold online, if I'm not mistaken. I have one more question. They ask, can you flat iron it? Can you flat iron it? Now just think about it. Okay, you're putting hair paint wax on your hair. Now this is wax. Hair paint wax. You put it on your hair and then you put a flat iron over it. I think it would kind of fry your hair, but do not flat iron your hair after you put the wax on there because then you're gonna just damage your hair. So do not do that. I did apply heat to my hair, and when I say that is because I did blow dry my hair to make it dry, and nothing happened to my hair at all. So you can apply heat to it as far as like a blow dry to make it dry and create your style, But as far as putting a flat iron direct heat onto your hair strand, that is not gonna work. I had so many questions, and these are all the ones that I wrote down. I'm pretty sure there are more questions. If you have any more questions on this, you can just hit me up in my comments below, and I will address them as well. That is actually it for this. As you see here, I'm gonna give y'all a close-up look. All of the product is out of my hair. This is actually my natural color. Well, not my natural color, but I did put like I bleached my hair and like it's fading or whatever. But this is my hair, so no more color is in my hair. All of that in conclusion, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, I don't even know what to tell you. I guess you put a thumbs down, but I'd rather you put a thumbs up. But if you put a thumbs down, it ain't gonna hurt my feelings anyways. But anyways, so yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment if you have any questions. Please press the subscribe. I can't say subscribe button. Also press the bell button so you can get notified. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and God bless.